how you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm having a great day today, and I actually went up to my PO box. Like, this is where my PO box now. I actually closed it because it was so far from me. It was like an hour away from me. I'm actually gonna change this to a location that is closer to me, so I can actually like put it on my website. If you guys want to send me little freebies or little things, then you can send that to me. But I'm actually going to change this PO box to a different location. So, especially one that's a little bit closer to me. Not too close, but closer than an hour drive. But I got this from Balance and Budget. I am so happy. Oh, hold on. I'm so happy. She sent me this card, you guys. She did send me that. It says from April 26th. I'm sorry, girl. I'm so sorry. It's just because that PO box is so far from me that I couldn't drive so far. Like that's a far drive for me. So I actually went up there to close it, and I was like, let me check my PO box and everything. I completely forgot she sent me something so cute, and she sent me a thank you card. It is so cute because I did actually order some stuff from her really recently, so this is perfect. So this is the card, and she got me up. Look at all these freebies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It says, Ashley, thank you so much for my package. You definitely went above and beyond. Keep inspiring others and bringing joy. XO Balance and Budgets. That's so cute. P.S. Sent some planner stickers I use frequently. Girl, you know I love planner stickers. These are so cute. Planner Kate, yeah. She's a good, I just got a whole bunch of stickers from Planner Kate. Oh my goodness. And she sent me some of these. They're like little notes. Oh, that's cute. Little note sticker. Oh, look at. Oh, that is cute. That is really cute. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It says oh, it's a unicorn. And you know, I love unicorn. Oh, she gave me more unicorn. It's a unicorn cupcake. There's a unicorn. Oh, she's pretty with the white hair and the crescent moon. That is beautiful. I love these little stickers. Those are so cute. And a little bunny is so cute. Some bows. And this looks like one of them, like them decorative pieces that you put in your house. I think my mom had something like that in her house. And this little bow. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is more like a sticky note. Oh, these are cute. Oh, you know I'm gonna use these. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use these as my IOUs. And this, ooh, I was looking at one of these too. Oh, thank you so much, girl. This is actually really nice. $100 placeholder. I like this. This is really nice, and they're nice and sturdy. This is super cute. I like this. And $125 scratcher. Oh, you know I'm gonna have to use this because I got some more Happy Mail that is coming, you guys. So, because I have like a little things that I want to do with my channel. Like, I'm more into like games and stuff, and I really do want to start focusing on paying down my debt and paying off these credit cards and these loans. So that's where I got some little little challenges and stuff that I can do that will be going strictly towards my debt. So this is perfect. $125 scratcher. I love this. That will be included in one of my videos. And I love the stickers. And this is so, I feel so special. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love this. I'm definitely going to put this in an envelope and put it like in my saving challenges book. I cannot wait. These are super cute. I'm definitely going to put them in my little things because you know I got my all my little things that I need. And then here's some stickers that I'm gonna put in here. And then I'll put these for like little notes right here. This is super cute. I'm gonna put this up here too, so I can start working on that. Oh, and I love the card. It's so cute and it has butterflies. I love butterflies. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Balance and Budgets. And that's it. Just wanted to pop in and say hey. A very short and sweet video, and wanted to give a shout out to Balance and Budgets. Thank you so much. It makes me have little butterflies in my little heart, and thank you so much. So I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Bye. Yeah.